Hello, my name is Cooper Zaransky, and I'm a part of Dr. Zhang's 2021 Summer Muri team. And today I'll be demonstrating our VR module on triple F 3D printing. Upon entering, you can see we are in a typical laboratory environment with a tensile tester included. We move around by using the joystick, and the character will move in whichever direction the headset is facing. As we approach the workbench, we can see multiple touchscreens with all of our controls. First, I'll print a cylinder. Filament extrudes from the hot end onto the plate, and then when cooled, is replaced with a solid layer. As you can see, all of the belts and pulleys kinematically follow what they are supposed to be doing in real life. This process will repeat until the entire object is done, and then the bed plate will lower. Now that the print is done, as you can see, the hot end returns back to home and the bed lowers. Now, I can take my hand and physically grab the printed object. Since there's not much you can do with just a cylinder, I'll just set it aside for now. Next, I will print a dog bone tensile tester. As the filament is extruded, you can see it creates the shape, and then as it cools, it is replaced by a solid layer. We now have our two 3D printed objects.